Today, I want to share with you some decor ideas that we've used in our home in our front sitting room. From rustic, natural style elements that mirror that of a Pottery Barn look, to beautiful, flameless, flickering candles, to unique furniture pieces, such as our big, large, white sofas that have somewhat of a slip-covered look to them, and our hairpin leg tables, and the situation of our room where we've placed our furniture across from one another. So to start with, I have this beautiful chair, which is called Timeless, which I think, of course, is so ironic with the clocks on the front of it. They've named this piece Timeless, and I absolutely love this. I think it really has a Pottery Barn anthropology style, but we didn't pay the price. The next thing we have are these beautiful hairpin leg tables. And I love these because each one of the faux drawers is actually a pull-out platform where you can set extra items versus storing them. The furniture placement in this room was also very specific. We placed our sofas directly across from one another, and that really creates an intimate atmosphere whenever we're entertaining. Everyone has the ability to sit around and see one another, and it's just a nice, cozy look. I also wanted to include something old with our new furniture, so I kept our old vintage secretary. And then I've got these beautiful flickering flameless candles with these beautiful wall sconces. I think it just creates a warm, inviting atmosphere, along with these rustic wooden, almost pallets with the metal arrows. This is a look I absolutely love. I think it really has a great Pottery Barn feel to it, and again, without the cost. And then, of course, the greenery on our mantle. I think our home is beautiful, cozy, and unique to our style.